All right, guys, you know we are always thinking Bitcoin, and I cannot forget the poor man's wallet. So I'm going to give you guys a quick update on what that wallet is looking like a month or close to a month in. Let's get into it. Yo, what up, guys? Thought I'd do another quick video this morning in the midst of everything that went on as far as the sites being down and everything. And I had to take a break from what I was normally doing anyway. Figured I'd drop one video and then come up and follow up with this one on my poor man's wallet. I know some of you guys have inquired and like when I update you on this. So here we go. I've actually already made two purchases today. Once I logged into it and saw that I had 20 something dollars in Bitcoin, I went ahead and made a purchase. But we come back here and see what the stats are. We made a deposit, that minimum deposit of 0.0007 on the 27th. And as of today, that equates to $45. You double this, that's $90. Well, at this point, we are above that $90 point. So we got 88 plus another $5. So we're looking at $93, $94 or something like that. And it is the 24th. So it's taken close to a month, but we have doubled that deposit. And it looks like going forward, looking at these sats per hour that are being converted is looking like about $5 a day that is converting. So in another month, we'll take this from being $100 to $150. That's kind of what it's looking like. So like I said, I did come out to the marketplace and made a couple purchases because, I mean, the deals are just too good not to. I did pick some up at 22.5%. As you guys can see here, I just did that a moment ago. Credits purchase on today, that was about 10 minutes ago, 8 to 10 minutes ago that I did that. So this is the name of the game, guys. So all you guys, I think we've had a couple people both on my channel and Drip Coach channel to drop in and be like, well, I just buy some Bitcoin and hold it. It's better that way. Okay, you go ahead and do that, buddy, because like this, just a simple $50 deposit in here and just using it to buy credits over and over again has over doubled within a month's time. So this is the power of the wallet, guys. And I think that's all I got for you. There are some more updates coming, but as you guys know, I got a ton of work on my plate at this point. Things just keep popping up, but there's no rush. It's not a rush game. As long as this system is up and running for all of us to use, it's going to be cranking out yield. And I'll get to all of the updates when I get to them. That's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.
You wanna sweat me, never get me to be silent, giving them a reason.